my dear little friends. How are you all? I hope you're all fine at your place. I know. You might be thinking that why ma'am has come today. I'll not teach you today. I'll not ask you to take your books today, but I will definitely help you to enhance your certain skills in your holidays. Would you like to do that? As we will be having fun and musty in these holidays, we will be learning the new communication skills and many more skills that will help you enhance your personality overall. So are you ready for that? So my topic for today is improving the communication skills, as it is the need of the era to be a good communicator so that you can influence others. So my dear friends, are you ready for this? So first of all, my question is, what do you mean by communication? Communication means sending or receiving an idea. When you are very impressive or very influential in sending your ideas or thought to the other person and he admires that, it is called an effective communication process. And there is a myth that if you learn a particular language, you will learn that how to improve your communication skills. My dear friends, learning a language helps you to communicate better, but it itself does not teach you that how to be a good communicator. So to be a good communicator, it is very important that you learn that what are the important things that you should keep in mind while communicating with the other people. Now let us take another example. Say our Honorable Prime Minister is giving a speech in an open forum. You see that the whole of the crowd is being mesmerized and just want to listen to what the PM is saying, isn't it? So even he is not talking in English, he is just talking in Hindi or any of the local language. But still the people are very influenced by what he is saying because the way of his communication is very impressive. He has a good communication skill, isn't it? For improving your communication, it is very important to learn few of the tips. The first of the thing is the eye contact. The person to whom you are talking with, you must have an eye contact with that person. Okay. The second of the thing is your body language. How active you are, how interested you are. Are you interested in speaking to that person or you are thinking something else in your mind? It matters. So when you ever talk to a person, show that you are totally interested in talking. So this is the second point of a good communication. Then the next one is your posture. When you are talking to somebody, your posture should be acceptable. It should not be like you are leaning somewhere or you are standing in an easy pose, or it doesn't matter for you. So your posture should be always a good posture. Then the next is your voice tone. How you talk to the other people is a point of matter. While talking to the other people, it is very important that you should be very kind in your words and you should be very polite with them. Talking harsh will bring you only disrespect. So try to speak very soft words, very politely to the other people. Now let us talk about the influence of English language in communication. There is no doubt that English plays a vital role in the communication process because it is a language that is accepted worldwide. And in offices, it is the office language. And it is very important to have a hold in English so that your communication process is easier. So to learn the English language, it is very important to enhance your vocabulary first of all. So here are a few tips to improve your vocabulary. First of all, what you can do, whenever you come through a new word, just jot it down on your diary or a journal and try to repeat that word in your language while speaking. Try to speak in English only because you want to learn that language, and by default it is not your mother tongue. Your mother tongue is Hindi and you want to learn the second language. So it is very important to practice it. When you will start practicing it, you will definitely make few errors in it. But it is okay because when you learn new things, you do mistakes. But to overcome that, you will be corrected by your parents or your teachers, so you will learn better. Then the second thing that you have to do is train your mind at multiple levels. Do you read storybooks? The books that are provided by the librarian ma'am, are you reading those books? If you read, they will help you to improve your language. Then the second question is, are you writing something? I am not talking about the work that the teacher is giving you. I am talking about the writing part that you are interested in writing, like your diaries, a daily diary routine, or a poetry, or an article. So develop a habit of writing. You will be more expressive in your thoughts. Then my next question is, are you watching the videos of the influential personalities or the English news or any such kind of videos that will help you enhance your communication skills? So I think that you should watch certain kind of videos or the English movies only that you are interested in, like kids movies. So that too in English only, not dubbed in Hindi, so that it improve your language. I have a question for you. You might have 100 of ideas in your brain, but you are not able to convey them to the other people. That what is the fun of your communication? You are not able to communicate your ideas to the other people. So my dear friends, you have to learn this art, as communication is an art and it works for only those who work harder for it. As nobody else can do your work. It is rightly said that you have to do your push-ups yourself. Means that you have to work harder for yourself, for improving yourself. So I hope that you will all work on these skills and improve your communication skills. All the best to you all. Thank you so much.